just found our gradient. Remember, it's an equation we're trying to find. And we have just found our gradient. What are we missing to find now?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. So now to find the y-intercept, what do we need? We need a what?
We need
starting with P. Look at right there. What do we
We need
need?
the points.
We need
a
a
point.
point. What
Yes,
point?
yes.
They must give us a point. Where is it? 8, negative 11. We need a point. Okay, 8, negative 11. Must give you a point. And why? Because a point implies that what? Help me continue. Anybody? A point implies that. Hello?
X equal 8.
X equal 8. A point implies that x equal 8.
And y equal negative 11.
And y equal negative 11. And you already know M2 is equal to what?
1 over 4.
M2 is equal to 1 over 4. So we can use this equation because C is inside of it. And start to substitute. We have to substitute a number there. We have to substitute a number there. And we're trying to find C. Based on the information we have laid out here, what number come in here?
So we
Negative
say y is negative 11.
Negative 11. What number comes there?
1 over 4.
1 over 4. What number comes there?
8.
X is 30.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give you a little 2 minutes to calculate and see what you get for C. And then you're going to compare the answer with what you have. Okay, just a little 2 minutes. I'm waiting. Or 1.5 minutes.
So I can tell you what I get for C, okay?
Yes, you can.
Well, I'm not sure if I correct. I get 13. C is equal to 13 now.
So
Yeah, I got negative 13.
So let's see what's the answer. That's this as negative 11. What's a quarter times 8?
2.
2.
So let's see. And what do we have to do?
Cancel. Oh no, C. Yes, C
Cancel
is
2 by
negative.
subtracting on both sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, I'm always reminding you or cautioning you, mathematics is a skill, it's a language. Please don't watch videos. Please don't just be sitting there passively like you're watching a movie. You have to be doing it. It's like you're learning to drive or you're learning to play a musical instrument. You know, it's a physical thing also. Okay, so you have to be writing also.
So, negative 13.
Negative 13.
Yes.
Okay, I'll ask back.
Alright, so C is equal to negative 13. So we have found our M and we have found our C. Just bear in mind this is a recording. It is recorded so you can replay it and practice it again. Okay, so we have found M and we have found C. Therefore, the equation of the line is what?
Y equals 1 over 4x minus 14.
Y is equal to a quarter x minus 30. Now the question says we have to write our equation in the form ax plus by minus equals 0. Let's verify. Right, we must write it in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now we need to write the equation in the form. Right. So therefore, how can we do that? Can anybody help us out?
That's what ax plus by plus c
Okay.
equals 0.
So what can we do? What's the first thing we can do?
Calculated,
Yes, we can cancel out that 4 by multiplying, yes? Because it's integers we're supposed to have. So we're not supposed to have any denominator. So if we have a denominator, the wisest thing to do is to cancel it out by multiplying each term by multiplying. So I repeat, a, b, and c is supposed to be integers, so they're not supposed to be any denominator. Alright, so we have to cancel out any denominator that we see by multiplying. Alright, so now 4 times y is what? What's 4 times y?
4y.
4.
What comes after the equal sign?
4.
4? Why 4? Why 4?
No, not for 1. X.
1. So
1,
1.
1 what?
Just,
1 x,
just X.
yes?
1x.
And minus what?
Mm, 4 times 2 negative 52.
Negative 52.
Right, now remember it's 0 alone that have to be on the right side. You see it says equals 0. So we have to cancel out everything on the right side and bring it on the left side. How do we cancel out a minus 52?
Plus 52.
Plus
How
And,
do we
and
cancel out a 1x?
a minus 1. And you bring it to the other side. Negative 1 plus 1 equals, all that equals 0. Consider the whole thing.
Yeah, that whole thing they're going to be equal 0. This negative 52 cancels out positive 52,
Cancels out.
and then negative 1x cancel out 1x, and we are left with minus 1x plus 4y is equal to 0. Now another point, it didn't really specify, but the ax have to be positive. The ax have to be positive.
So
Okay,
it's
that's
negative
another rule.
0.
Yeah, so what we do now, we have to multiply by negative 1.
Oh.
So please take note of that. The ax have to be positive, so we have an extra work to do there. We have to multiply by negative 1 so that we have a positive 1x. 1x, a positive times a negative, that will be negative 4y, right? And that will be negative 52. Okay. Right, so please take note of that. And here we have number 8, part 2. And you have it in written form already for explanations. Now we're going to number 8, part 2. Number 8, part 2. The point P and Q have coordinates 3, -2, and 2, 1 respectively. Show that the gradient of the line segment PQ is -3. Alright. Find the equation of the line parallel. Find the equation of the line perpendicular. Here you have an example similar. And here you have an example of our own. This one similar from, it was taken from the booklet. 16 and 17.